Hello there, Hetty and Teddy. I'm so pleased you could join us tonight.
Hi, Joanne. It's good to be here with you.
Hi Joanne. We are here to learn about freedom and prosperity tonight.
Yes, we understand your lives have been in turmoil for many years. The financial and housing markets have been turned upside down. I understand you have gone through a home foreclosure yourself recently, and we invited you here to share your story.
Indeed, Joanne. Thank you for having us on your Freedom Club USA show. We worked so hard all our lives and saved every week, and never missed a mortgage payment. We had excellent credit and everything was going so well.
First there was my job loss after 15 years with my company. This was devastating, and no jobs anywhere.
After just a few months our savings were gone and then, we had to cash in our retirement fund. Finally, this ran out and we got behind on our bank payments. Well, the bank just did not care. Within weeks we received an eviction notice. I just could not believe it. We thought it would never happen to us.
I understand you are now homeless. After all those years of home payments, and I understand your bank sold your home and not only did not give you any of the proceeds but gave you a deficiency notice to pay them even more. Insult to injury.
We had nowhere to go, plus we had our children to take care of. We were humiliated and angry.
We came on your show to learn about a solution you offer through Freedom Club USA. Can you please explain how you can help us even in our desperate situation, and to millions of others who are fearful of this happening to them also?
I'd be happy to. First, Freedom Club USA has thoroughly researched banking and discovered banks cannot loan their own money nor the money of other customers, or even the bank's credit. Yet, we have mortgage loans, credit cards, auto loans and student loans being offered by U.S. and Canadian banks.
Do you mean, we've been paying our bank all these years for money they did not loan us?
If they did not loan us their money or their depositors' money, where did it come from?
When you were born, your birth certificate was used to create an account for you to take care of you during your life. Unfortunately, this was misused by the banks, and when they received your signature on your promissory note, they extracted funds from your account and made it look like they loaned you their money.
You mean, they intentionally forced us to pay them all these years for money that really was ours?
And they even had the audacity to foreclose and force us from our home with this knowledge.
Yes, sadly, this is true. Your local banker, however, is not even aware of this. They still believe the bank actually loaned you their money. They have also been deceived by the real banksters who control the world's money system.
Who are these banksters?
And who gave them the right to steal from us?
Your government did when they passed the Federal Reserve Act in 1913. The banksters bribed enough representatives to pass the law that gave them control of our financial system. It has been an up and down ride ever since, with inflation, then deflation, where only they have gained, at the expense of honest people like you.
What can be done to help us? We don't know where else to turn.
Please tell us how Freedom Club USA can help us.
With your membership, we can provide you a special claim procedure called an administrative remedy. When a lender falsely claims they loaned you money and did not, but collects anyway, this is called conversion. There are penalties for conversion, and we submit a claim on your behalf to your bank's CEO.
Won't the bank be harmed even more in this failing banking system?
No, we do not expect or want the bank to pay, but we must establish a judgment that can be paid. Once the judgment is received, without any court action, we submit the claim for payment.
So, who pays the claim?
Since your loan originated from your birth account, so too was the CEO born, also with an account. We simply utilize the same system to extract funds to pay you.
Won't this create more debt for our country?
No. When banks utilize this system, the debt is left on the books until you pay off your entire loan. When Freedom Club USA claims funds from the system, the debt is immediately resolved with our proprietary system. Thus, there is nothing to repay. It is yours to spend as you wish.
Can this system be used on all my bank loans? For previous home loans, car loans, credit cards and student loans?
And what about the IRS and Canadian federal taxes? We've learned that taxes on personal income are not taxable, yet we've paid them for years through my employer.
Yes, All of these claims can be submitted, no matter how long ago, or the status of the loan. Current, paid in full, sold, foreclosed, even bankruptcy. All are eligible.
Sign us up.
Let's get started.
Visit freedomclubusa.com. On the home page you will find information about our process and easy-to-follow steps as you scroll down the center of the page. This will take you through more detail into an ordering page. Be sure to select the ambassador that sent you to our site and continue to learn about many more benefits of your membership.